Hello, welcome to Life's Little Things. My name is Corinna. My refrigerator is filthy, but there's one thing about me, I do not like to clean out my refrigerator. I'm sure most of us probably don't. So I was thinking it would be great if I could take you along with me and we could motivate each other to clean out our refrigerators. I am going to empty the whole thing out, and I'm going to pull out the drawers, and I'm going to wash everything separately and make it nice and shiny. So let's get started. I was really not looking forward to cleaning the refrigerator, but once I got started, it went pretty fast, and I absolutely love how it looks, how shiny and bright and clean it really is. So I am very pleased with it. I hope this has motivated you to get your refrigerator cleaned out, and I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.